Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best atmospheric water generators that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Zhuofan 2025 New Hydrogen Water Generator Bottle. This is the ultimate budget-friendly option for those looking to benefit from hydrogen-rich water without breaking the bank. Using upgraded SPE and PEM technology, it produces hydrogen concentrations between 1,000 and 1,600 ppb in just 3 minutes. What sets this apart is its ability to work with all types of water, even distilled or purified water, which many competitors struggle with. The 420 milliliter capacity and food-grade borosilicate glass construction ensure both portability and safety. The design is sleek yet practical, with an anti-slip eave cushion at the base and removable ends for easy cleaning. While it's compact and perfect for travel, it's best suited for casual users who want a quick hydration fix rather than a heavy-duty solution. On the downside, the Zhuofan generator is corded, so you'll need access to a power source. Still, at $42.99, it's an excellent entry point for anyone curious about hydrogen water. It's the perfect pick for commuters, gym-goers, and anyone on the go. However, if you require higher hydrogen concentrations or more advanced features, you might want to look at the next products on our list. Coming in at number 4 is the FloD Hydrogen Water Bottle Generator. This mid-range option offers a bit more sophistication than entry-level models. With the ability to produce hydrogen concentrations between 1,600 and 2,000 ppb, it transforms regular water into hydrogen-rich alkaline water that boosts your metabolism, reduces oxidative stress, and enhances overall wellness. Thanks to its SPE and PEM technology, it eliminates residual chlorine and ozone, ensuring the water you drink is as pure as it is beneficial. The FloD generator features a 460 milliliter borosilicate glass bottle with a food-grade rubber seal, making it both durable and safe for everyday use. Its sleek design is complemented by an eave cushion pad for stability and anti-slip properties. The one-button operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. However, what truly stands out is its cleaning cycle, which resets the electrodes and ensures long-term performance. On the flip side, while it's portable and battery-powered, the FloD model doesn't offer the highest hydrogen concentration on this list. Still, at $58.20, it's a fantastic option for those seeking a balance between affordability and performance. At number 3, we have the Pabrics Hydrogen Water Bottle Generator. This is where the list begins to focus on high-performance products. The Pabrics model delivers certified hydrogen concentrations of up to 6,360 ppb, making it ideal for athletes and health enthusiasts. With advanced SPE-PEM technology and platinum iridium electrodes, this generator ensures pure hydrogen without harmful byproducts like chlorine. What sets this product apart is its third-party certifications from H2 Analytics and SGS, which validate its performance claims. The durable, BPA-free Triton construction is both lightweight and safe, while the rechargeable battery allows up to 20 uses per charge. It's incredibly portable, making it great for gyms, outdoor activities, or simply daily hydration at home. However, the Pabrics generator is on the pricier side at $129.99. Additionally, its hydrogen production cycle takes up to 18 minutes for maximum effect, which might be a drawback for those who want instant results. Still, if you're serious about improving your hydration and recovery, this is a worthy investment. At number 2, the Solaris Water Gen A10 atmospheric water generator takes us into the realm of full-scale water generation systems. This countertop unit is capable of producing up to 10 liters of water per day, extracted directly from the air. Its advanced 4-stage UV filtration system ensures that the water is pure, safe, and free from contaminants, including bacteria and viruses. This makes it an excellent choice for both drinking and cooking. The Solaris Water Gen A10 is designed for convenience, with automatic operation and smart alerts that notify you of maintenance needs. Its sleek and compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into kitchens, offices, or even RVs. Plus, it requires no plumbing, just plug it in and you're good to go. The energy-efficient design further reduces your environmental footprint by eliminating the need for plastic bottles. However, at $959.25, this is a premium product, and its price might be a barrier for some. It's also best suited for those who need a reliable source of water in areas with limited access to clean water. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and sustainable hydration solution, the Solaris Water Gen A10 is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lifewell 2025 Improved Atmospheric Water Generator S20. This is the pinnacle of atmospheric water generation, offering a daily output of up to 10 liters with advanced 4-stage purification, including UV filtration. The S20 ensures that every drop of water is not only clean, but also tastes great, making it perfect for both drinking and cooking. The S20 is designed with user convenience in mind. Its automatic operation requires minimal intervention, while smart alerts keep you updated on maintenance and performance. The sleek, modern design fits beautifully into any space, from homes to offices to medical facilities. Plus, it requires no installation. Simply plug it in and enjoy fresh, clean water whenever you need it. At $999.95, the Lifewell S20 is the most expensive option on this list, but it justifies its price tag with unparalleled performance and reliability. If you're looking for the ultimate solution for clean, sustainable hydration, the Lifewell S20 is the gold standard. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.